Hi, I'm Russell Gobetz from the Bicycle Planet. Today I'm going to show you how to tune up your BMX bike. The materials you're going to need for this job is a set of Allen keys, a set of open-end wrenches, and some Teflon-based lubricant. I'm just going to make sure that the faceplate bolts are tight on the stem and also the pinch bolts are tight to the fork. So I want to make sure that the axle nuts are tight on the bike. And just make sure they're secure. And also make sure the crank bolts are tight. And then also apply some Teflon-based lubricant to the chain. And that's what you need to do to tune up your BMX bike.